Ooh, I need one of these. I need one of these. Oh, goodness. Well, welcome back, y'all. It is a typical Saturday here. It is still very dark outside right now, but we have got to let these chickens out, and those ducks were just squawking. I've been using this date syrup instead of honey, mainly because I ran out of honey, and my local person didn't have the big jars that I wanted, and so I found that at the grocery store. It actually tastes very good, so I will probably continue to get it. I may not use it in my coffee all the time, but I'll continue to get it. I put vanilla, maple syrup. I don't measure. I just put a little bit. I don't like my coffee very sweet. And then some heavy cream. Excuse me. Excuse me. Laundry is always a must. It is every day. I do at least one load of laundry. So that was taken care of. Then I went straight to the bedroom. Windows were already open, and I went ahead and made the bed. I did need to tidy up the room a little bit, especially my corner where I basically apparently just throw everything under the sun. It is also my bookshelf. So, there's books under all this crap. I had a trash bag going on, but I needed to get it decluttered and clean it back out. It was getting way too overwhelming, and I was just completely tired of it. Bedroom is tidied. I just need to put the giveaway stuff into a bag and get it loaded up into my car. And it is now 7:30, which means it's time to go feed the animals. And knows what time it is. He said, "Mom, let's go inside." Oh my goodness gracious. Come on, chickies. Completely forgot to ask Sean to put feed in both of the feed buckets today before he left to go hunting. So alas, here I go, just toting around 50-pound bags of feed. It's fine. I do it all the time. It's not a big deal. It's why I lift weights. The pigs are awfully loud this morning, and they get even louder when I come near them because they know it is time for food. They are cracking me up though. I did need to give them fresh water in their bowls, and then I put a little bit of fresh water into their little pond area where they take a dip. Okay, so all the animals are fed, chores are done. I had to refill all the feed barrels this morning. Chase changed the duck pools late last night, so they are good. I refreshed the pigs' water. I didn't put too much water back into their watering holes just because it's cooler now and they won't use them that much. Anyways, I'm gonna sit down and relax for a little bit now. Check back in a little bit. Come here. Come here. I love you. Hobby Lobby and finish my Secret Pals gift for fall. So I'm gonna run there. I may pick up a few things for our house. Why am I so short? Christmas is 50% off. I should have came and got her fall stuff earlier, but I did get her one Christmas thing already. I may pick her up some Christmas stuff. I may also pick me up some Christmas stuff. I did grab me 2 of these because I need some more pie rim things. Okay. Ooh, I need one of these. I need one of these. Oh, goodness. I don't know what size I need for the weenie. I'm going to get a small and a medium. He's a long dog, so I think that would be cute on him. Let me see if I can find a first year married. Oh, that is so cute. I like that a lot. Ooh, I'm gonna get her that one. Mr. and Mrs. Our first Christmas. It's not a new home. Oh, that's cute. Mary and Married 2024. I'm gonna give her that for fall, actually. Since we have a porch now, I want to get a cute little lighted tree for the porch. Ooh, I'm getting that. I'm getting that 110%. Yeah. Yes. Okay. All right. Maybe that. How much is that? $12. You got it, dude. Well, while that did not cost as much as I thought it was going to, it did take longer than I thought it was going to, so gotta go get Draco. Clearly, this is not getting Draco. I did need to stop and get gas, and while I was close by Food Lion, I took the lazy way out and just went ahead and got Food Lion. I had all intents and purposes on going to the market to get my produce and then the rest of it from Food Lion, but alas, I did not do that. So, Food Lion it is. Once I left Food Lion, though, I did head home because Draco had been home alone for quite a while, and quite honestly, this doesn't seem like a very relaxing Saturday. Once I got home, I started prepping dinner. I'm making a creamy tortellini soup, which you've seen me post about many places. I have the recipe listed in the description box below. It is very super simple. Italian sausage, carrots, celery, onion. I let that marry down with some bone broth. I had some homemade bone broth. I used the last of what I had, and then I used some store-bought bone broth as well. I put in about 3 quarts, whichever one the bigger one is. 3 quarts of bone broth. I let that simmer on the stove for about an hour and a half at a temperature of 4. Once that cooked all in, then I went in and added my tortellini and my spinach. Spinach is not a must. You can use kale, mustard greens, collard, whatever you have greens-wise on hand. It will all taste delicious. And I let that cook down for another 45 minutes on a very low heat. And once that was 45 minutes was up, I added in my heavy cream. This was about a half of a quart of heavy cream left, and I added it all in. I let that sit on low for 20 minutes, and then I turned the heat completely off. So you can see I used my Dutch oven here, but 9 times out of 10, I cook this recipe in my crock pot. I just wanted to make sure that I had it done in time for when Sean and Chase get home out of the woods. It's a nice cool day today, so this soup is going to be perfect, and it also leaves for tons of leftovers. So we will be able to eat this all throughout the week. And do I have it listed for tomorrow night? I don't know. We'll figure it out. But it is so delicious. It is my mom's recipe, and I adore it. It reminds me so much of her, and it tastes so amazing. I think that's going to wrap us up for today. I hope you enjoyed a day in the life. I'll see you next time.